Hi guys, this is Rose and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna discuss how to customize documents available in our Zoho accounting software. So first, we must log in using the bookmark that we have created, and we must have our username and password. Then select books. So we have two options to customize our documents. It's either editing the existing template, and secondly, we can add additional label name using preferences. So let's go to the settings to view these two options, templates and preferences. So in templates, we can view all the existing documents our Zoho has, like estimates, invoices, purchase order, sales order. And for the preferences, you can please select one document, then you can add one label name under field customization. So let's have an example. Let's edit this estimate existing template. So under template properties, we can change the paper size, the orientation, the background image, the theme color. So for example, we've changed the theme to orange based on our logo. So it's up to you guys. What's your preferences? Secondly, if we observe the logo that we had uploaded before, it's already showing company name and address. So if you want to remove this show organization name and show organization address, then you have the option. And the document title, since we've been using sales quotation, so we can change estimate to sales quotation. And the BO2, I prefer using customer information. It's more specific than BO2. Because BO2, you can it's a general term, either supplier or customer. The shipping too, I prefer using shipping information. And for the date, we change the document title from estimate to sales quotation. Then we must also change the label name of date from estimate date to quote date. Then if you want to monitor who's the person that created this quotation, then you can check sales person. For the header, we can also amend the label name of line number, item description. And the rate, I prefer using unit price, or you can also use selling price. This quotation is for customer, so it's more specific if we use selling price or unit price. Then the word rate, because sometimes rate represents a percentage. For the final total, it's best that we'll add word grant. So it means this is the final amount. For the footer, there are notes. For notes, you can edit notes For example, you want to use that for the lead time, and for the terms and condition, if you want to add the word general, then you can also add. So we can preview all the changes that we've created or selected. So have a final review of all the amendments that you've added before you will click save. So same with estimates, just click one document, then edit, then you can amend the label name, change the paper size. So you must do it one by one. Then let's go to preferences. In order for us to know what specific label name we want to add, we must view or try to create one document. So for example, estimate, let's create one document. So click new, then in this once we click new, it will show the customer name, the quotation references. So for the quotation references, we can edit that. So we can put the series number that you want, or you can do it manually, but we prefer to do continuous generating series number. So I'm showing you two options on series. Okay, so if you observe the important details of sales quotation are the payment method and the payment terms, and they are missing in the existing template of Zoho. So we can add these two important details using preferences. By the way, guys, we can open two tabs at the same time with one account under Zoho software. The purpose of these two tabs, we can view the edited estimates. At the same time, we can use the other tab when going to preferences and adding the two labels that we want to create. So let's select estimates, field customization, add new custom field. So for example, payment method. Under data type, we can select drop down. So we can add options below. So first option, bank transfer. Just copy paste the first option. Then second, check. Then cash. It's check mandatory and must show on all PDF. Save. Next is the payment terms. Select also drop down. Then the options are 100% prepaid, net 30, Then it's mandatory at the same time must show in all PDF files. Save. Then let's check in our first tab. Close the file. Then click again new. So we can check if those two data are now added. So they're available on our forms now. Same we did with estimate, just click, you can add new custom field. So for example, for purchase order, so you can add there who's the purchasing officer. And the last topic is we must change the account title for suppliers advances or cash advances to suppliers. This so accounting software is using prepaid expenses. So I prefer using cash advances to suppliers. Later on, you will understand why I must need to change this account item. Have a nice day and see you in my next video. Bye.